Hello, fourth grade. So in the previous slide, we looked at these numbers and we discussed their position in the sequence, right? So now we have to take these numbers and we have to form an input and output table, okay? In the middle, we already have our expression labeled, but expression is another word for the rule or the relationship between these numbers, right? So I'm just going to label rule here. I'm also going to go ahead and label input and output. Okay, so I need to figure out what do I do to this number to get this number, right? That's how I'm going to fill in my chart. So I take 7, but I'm not going to write 7 here because 7 is not my input. 7 is my output, okay? 7 is my output because the first number in this sequence of numbers is 7. So my input would be the position, right? Position 1 is 7. So position 1, I do something to that position, which is the expression, and it gives me 7, okay? So I need to stop and think, my numbers are getting bigger, okay? If my numbers are getting bigger, I am either adding or multiplying, okay? This is something you have to play with, and it's okay if you don't get it right the first time. You have to learn how to problem solve, okay? I'm going to go with addition, okay? 1 plus something is going to give me 7, okay? I already know my math facts. 1 plus 6 is going to give me 7, and that's it. I'm done. I move on to my next number in the sequence, right? But I'm not going to write 8 here, remember, because 8 is my output. 8 is number 2 in this sequence, right? Its position is number 2. So I move on to number 2. Now I'm going to do the same thing, right? 2 plus 6 equals 8, okay? Moving on to number 9, which is the third number in my sequence. Third number, 3 plus something is going to give me 9, which is what? 6. All right? 1 plus 6, 2 plus 6, 3 plus 6. That is my rule. My input plus 6 will give me my output. Now it's up to you to complete the rest of your chart.